Now, a big national story today that has ties to Mobile. It's now confirmed that human remains found on a California beach are that of 16-year-old Hannah Hart, the biological daughter of a Mobile woman.
Hannah was one of 6 children who died in a car crash last March when investigators say their adoptive mother intentionally drove them off a cliff after drugging them.
News 5's Mary Smith is in our studio now to break down the latest developments in this tragic story. Mary?
Yeah, Peter and Devin, very tragic, of course. Nearly everyone in the country does remember this horrible story making national headlines last March. First responders initially found only 3 of the 6 Hart kids' bodies, but over a month later, they found what are now confirmed to be 16-year-old Hannah's remains after her biological mother here in Mobile came forward to provide a DNA sample.
It's a story that broke hearts all across America.
Did you get a chance? Can you update on the status of the body, if they were able to get it on shore or not?
Investigators confirm human remains found on a Mendocino County, California beach belonged to 16-year-old Hannah Hart. She was one of 6 adopted children killed when their adoptive mother, Jennifer Hart, intentionally drove the whole family to its death nearly 100 feet to the ground. This new development comes after a Mobile woman, the biological mother to Hannah and 2 other children, provided a DNA sample to investigators. The results came back this week. Those remains found belong to Hannah, who can finally rest in peace.
Radio 512.
The scene initially led California investigators to what they thought was a horrific accident, but later saying without skid marks on the road, this was an intentional act.
And we are told that 5 of 6 of those 6 kids' bodies have been found. One of those who has not been found is presumed to be dead. Live in the studio, Mary Smith, WKRG News 5.